How to fix Bluetooth not working in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Bluetooth not working in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to System. After you're on your system, you'll need to scroll down till you find a Troubleshoot option. Tap on it. Now, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So after you're on the Troubleshoot page, simply head over to Other Troubleshooters. And from there, if you scroll down under Other section, you'll find Bluetooth. Simply run the troubleshoot for Bluetooth. And after you run it, your troubleshoot should begin. And after it begins, you will get to know what the problem actually was. And yeah, they will just fix it for you as well. And that is how you can fix your Bluetooth not working on your device. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.